Today I'd like to show you how to remove the bonnet. So in order to remove the bonnet, we have to release the catch, which is down here underneath the driver's side footwell on the outside of the car. Pull the little latch, and then once you've pulled the little latch, pop down this service flap. This is the Audi service flap for the A2. On this we have oil filler, the dipstick here, and we have top up for the windscreen washers. Now that's all you need normally, but we also may need to take the bonnet off the car in order to work on it. There are two knurls here, two knobs. You twist them anti-clockwise, and they pop out on springs. We then go and lift the bonnet. I prefer put my left hand in here, right hand on there, jiggle it a little bit, pull it backwards towards you, and then up. And take the bonnet and take it out. Now, once we have the bonnet removed from the car, we can then go in and see how the bonnet is replaced back onto the car. So we can see here that we have this sliding mechanism here, over shape there, and we have similar one on this side of the car here. Now the mistake that people make often with these cars is that they do not line up these posts here, which are underneath the bonnet. So if we flip the bonnet round, we can see that we've got these posts here. These lock into those mounting points. And if they don't go into those mounting points correctly, then what happens is they hit the wing and you get deep scratches on the wing. So I always find it easier to line one side up, drop it in gently, sit it down, check that everything's lined up correctly, then you push the bonnet forwards or back towards the rear of the car. Then you can do up these knurls. You just twist them until they pop in. When they pop in, tighten them up, a double clip there, push, twist until they go in, tighten up, and that's it. And you can shut the service flap, make sure you shut it and that it doesn't pop back open again, and that is it. We have taken the bonnet on and off correctly on the Audi A2 and done so without scratching either of the wings, which is a common problem you'll see on all A2s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been useful. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.